How to get gold.
How to get gold off anything.
To do this, you're going to need 5% vinegar and 3% hydrogen peroxide. In this experiment, I'll be adding 300 milliliters of 5% vinegar to 75% milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide. These are the perfect measurements, so if you need more, just double up on the solution with these measurements. When using this method, make sure the vinegar is the one with the vegetables, made for pickling. There are two different types of vinegar. One is for cleaning, the other is for pickling. If you get the cleaning vinegar, the solution will bubble up and not work. Do not get confused as they sell both in the food section. Here is what to look for. This is what it looks like after 1 hour in the solution. These measurements will not present an aggressive reaction. The most reaction you will see is a slight change in the solution color after 1 hour. This is what it looks like after 3 hours in the solution. The color comes from the type of alloyed metal the solution is reacting with. Brown is usually rust, and blue or green is copper corrosion. This is what it looks like after 9 hours in the solution. This is what it looks like after 11 hours in the solution. I did a small run with the solution before starting these two jars I am running in this video. After seeing the gold flakes slide off with a little spray of water, I decided after 3 years it's time to bring back the air bubbler, just for agitation. If you've been following me for a while and wondering why I stopped using sea salt in my solution, it's because every time I would do a recovery, I would notice a brownish look in my gold. Without realizing it was on my gold, not in it. At that time, I just figured the solution was not removing all the copper, while it wasn't even that. It was actually the sea salt. The sea salt was tarnishing my gold, giving it a brown look. So I went back to the lab and created these measurements. After all these years of doing gold recovery, I realized it's not about how fast you can recover the gold. It's about how much profit you make without destroying or losing the gold. Honestly, this works best for me. There's a lot of other ways to do it. Smash that red plus under my profile picture for part 2.